Guys, Jake Nicolle here. We're at our latest listing, 48 Lake Avenue. We're here in Stoney Creek. We're in the heart of Stoney Creek. Let me tell you about this duplex, 2,400 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. We're on a 50-foot wide lot by 125 foot deep. And look at this street. We're on Lake Avenue. This is where you want to be. We got cars honking. People are happy. It's summer. Life's good. I want to show you this property. You're going to love it. Welcome home. Stepping inside 48 Lake Avenue, this is where you've got these 2 living spaces combined. So there's actually a door right behind this door here that will take you up to the other unit. All right, so you got this door right here that'll take you up to the other unit. And then as you step in, we've got big windows. We've got this big fireplace. I'm actually a really big fan of just this mantle. Obviously this is a retired fireplace, but beautiful detail and design, nice baseboards. We've got new vinyl flooring throughout. And here's what's great about this space. We're steps, you're gonna hear me mention this repeatedly, but we are steps to downtown Old Stoney Creek. Awesome little restaurants, R.L. Hislop School, Collegiate Avenue School this way. We've got tennis courts over that way. We got all kinds of great details. So as we step in, that's kind of our living room space. Over here is the perfect spot for you to have a dining room table, maybe hang a pendant light, and then we're looking out on the backyard. All right, we've got our barbecue back there. And as we enter through, we've got this kitchen space. I like the little tile effect, it's nice. And this is our kitchen space, all right? We got our fridge, we got our stove, our sink, looking out into the backyard. Again, lots of light coming in. If we switched off the lights, you wouldn't know. Now, as we come around this way, we've got an entrance to the basement, all right? And then we've also got our little laundry room here. So we've done the whole stacked washer dryer, really good to have for space and keeping everything combined. Because again, there's 2 units, there's a whole other unit. And today, we're actually not gonna tour the upstairs unit because it's got a tenant there, but you can come walk through the whole place and check it all out for yourself, all right? Now at the back of the home, we've got this bedroom. So we got 2 bedrooms on the main floor, all right? And then we've got another 3 upstairs. So you got lots of bedrooms, 5 in total. And then here's what we've got. Big windows, beautiful trees that we're looking back on, closets, all right? Another big window looking out on that backyard. Then we've got a door that is the exterior door. We'll take you guys in the backyard in just a minute. Nice part about this is if you wanna enter through the rear of the home, for either unit, you can go front or back, okay? And then as we step in through here, we've got a bathroom, all right? If I turn that light on, the fan's gonna go off. So we get a shower tub combo, nice vanity, all right, the toilet, all the little details that make this place nice and bright and light. Love that everything's white and simple. And then as we step through to our 2nd bedroom on the main floor, look at this big window, it's awesome. Now, the thing you'll notice is you hear the voice of my voice echoing a little bit, but other than that, you actually don't have a ton of road noise, which is really nice because this is a busy street because you're close to everything. You're right in the heart of downtown Stoney Creek. Now, come follow me outside and let's check out the backyard to conclude today's tour. Now entering the back space of 48 Lake Avenue, you can see we've got 2 separate entrances. We've got the entrance to the main floor unit right here, just off that last room that we toured. And then we've got steps that also go up to the additional unit. So entrance to the front and the back, and this is what our 50-foot wide by 125-foot deep lot looks like. I love that this property is perfect for anyone who's looking at having 2 families together where they want to have totally separate or living spaces that can come together. It's awesome. And then we've got this absolutely beautiful property back here. This is like a staple of downtown Stoney Creek. So really pretty to have this property to look at. And then you've got this shed. You can actually see the property line right here with the tree. And then look at the exterior of the property. Beautiful space. We got the barbecue at back, lots of windows, lots of light. Look, if you are an investor, or better yet, you're someone who's looking to actually just have 2 incomes and you want to live in one of the units, rent out the other, do a bit of house hacking, or maybe you've got family members you're looking to have upstairs or on the main floor, this home presents those opportunities for you, and it couldn't be at a better location. So if you're interested, you want to come see this one in person, pick up the phone, give me a call today, text 289-216-6852. My name's Jake Nicolle. I want to take you guys through this place and see if it's the right place for you and help you find your dream home, whether it's this home or the next one, but I have a feeling it just might be this one. Cheers, guys.